All right, so today we're looking at the SYNTECH USB C to USB OTG adapter. And basically what this does is this will take your standard USB, the OTG stands for on the go. So pretty much any old-fashioned USB, and convert it to a male USB-C. All right, and the reason I needed this was because I got a new laptop. And I only have two USB-Cs on the side. I have a lot of old hard drives that still use the old standard of USB, and needed to adapt it to get them to fit in here. I do have a hub coming that will expand this for me, but in the meantime, got this because it was cheap and it's always good to have just in case. So without further ado, inside this little tiny box, there are two adapters, as you can see here. And the packaging is nice and all that good stuff, and it comes with some sticker swag and basic instructions on how to use it. I've already used it once, so I'm not going to show you that, but just to go ahead and pop that out. All right. Now, for purposes of using it on a MacBook Pro, pay attention to how your drive goes in here, so that it's, if you're using a thumb drive, it's got a mechanical switch on here to slide it in and out of its casing. You want that facing up. Now, what I've discovered with this particular brand, I don't know if it's the adapter itself or the snugness of the MacBook port, but it went in. It took quite a bit of force to get this in there, and I did not like that at all. That being said, this particular adapter, I don't know that I'd be able to fit two of them. Let me see here. Don't think I'd be able to fit two of them side by side because the ports here are just a little too close, and that's not an issue with the adapter, because you need that width in order for it to fit. That's an issue with the design of the MacBook. And of course, Apple is smart enough to know if they cause a problem, you'll go out and buy their solution, which is their Express Hub, which I'm not doing. All right, but overall, yeah, it's a good adapter. It worked great. It's fast. It is rated for I believe 5 gig. Yeah, there it is right there. So it's fast. It will work with Thunderbolt 3 specs, so you shouldn't have an issue there. But if you're interested in these, check them out. They're on Amazon. I'll put a link down below. Worth it if you've got a quick need to use your old flash drives and stuff without purchasing new ones, and say a new MacBook or other device. All right. Hope you learned something. On the next.